I'm going to show you how to install ChromeOS on any PC or laptop. First thing, you need to get the Chromebook recovery from Chrome Web Store. Add to Chrome extension. It might take some time. Then you launch that application. Go to this Chrome recovery. Get started. Identify your Chromebook. Select a model. And select the ChromeOS. Flex. Then you click continue. Insert a USB flash drive. Then you choose ChromeOS Flex. Click continue. Select. Click continue. And it has to be 8 gigs already. Click create now. It might take some time. Then you click yes to start the writing. Then it's going to verify. And it's going to verify the download. This will take some time. Is unpacking. After you're done making a bootable USB, unplug it from your computer, shut this machine down, and then you put it on a computer that you want to install ChromeOS on. Fire this thing up. And then boot from this USB. It might take some time. That's ChromeOS Flex. It might take some time. And then it says, welcome to Chromebook. get started. Install ChromeOS Flex. Install. It's doing the installation. After the installation is complete, you have to wait. Remove the USB before turning off your drive. And it will restart. After we move it and turn it off, it will restart. This will take some time. It says, welcome to ChromeOS Flex. Let's get started. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. After you connect to Wi-Fi network, you can choose for personal use, for a child, or for work or school. I set for personal use. Click next. Installing the latest update. After you install the latest update, you need to sign in with a Google account. And you need to enter your password. Then you need to verify the person you are. Please wait. Loading. Accept and continue. If you want, you can skip for now. You are set, get started. So this is how you install ChromeOS Flex on a PC or laptop. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.